Alright.
I got water all
Gage
over
is just
myself.
Gage is just pissing in the fucking general chat.
Yeah, well, we'll just let him be.
Let him
Alright.
let him wallow in his own pee.
Let him wallow his own
Let him
So,
sustenance.
urinate
start it
into his own
off then,
hair.
Tyson.
Yeah, this is my channel, and we're with friends.
Alright, first alien.
Clockwork's
Clockwork.
A or B tier
Clockwork
for
makes the
sure.
cockwork. I'm giving it a.
Clockwork is.
Clockwork
Hey,
is
I'll put him
funny.
in B. No, put him in B.
Put him in A. You guys are,
Low
yeah,
A,
I'd put him
high
in
B.
A.
Alright.
Wrath is overrated for sure. Oh,
Yeah.
Feedback.
yep, that's fair. Yeah, feedback.
Yeah,
Best.
feedback is an immediate. We also gotta talk about how these aliens are good, you know?
Yeah, we
We'll
have to
talk about
talk
feedback
about.
at the end.
Yeah, you gotta get out of your fucking buddy.
Alright. Wrath is pretty good because, like, once he's angry,
Yeah, but he's
I don't
kind of
like,
like
just
there's no
Wrath.
annoying.
He's
stopping him.
kind of annoying and kind of plot convenience in a lot of situations.
Yeah, there are
I mean,
much better
yeah.
aliens he could use.
There's a lot better brute force aliens than Clockwork or fucking Wrath.
Clockwork makes
Yeah.
clockwork.
Alright.
Yeah.
So, next one is
Chromastone.
Chroma Stone. He's basically. Oh. What?
People were like saying that like Chromastone's worse feedback.
No,
Hey,
Chroma Stone's
Chromas.
like feedback, but more people. Like, more Chroma
I like
Stones.
feed. I like feedback's character design a lot. I also like Chromastones a lot too. I'd put him in A, but that's me.
I don't know. I want to put him in A. Yeah, I feel like it.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's an A.
Chromastone's
Yeah.
really cool.
Can we
Oh, put Veiny
Ew.
Loser. Yeah, that
Ultimate freaking gray matter is
Veiny
disgusting.
What is
Loser.
that disgusting testicle?
He's still not smarter. He's still not smarter than
Oh my
Asmir.
god! Holy shit!
Man's goes all the way to ultimate to still be stupider than Asmir.
Awesome.
I don't know what I
Monkey.
just saw.
Monkey on
Nope.
D.
Monkey is overrated. I don't like him.
I like him a little bit, not too much. His ultimate
I
form
think
sucks though.
he's just like, oh, I can shoot sticky white shit out of my cutters.
Tail.
Could have been better.
Tail. Nothing wrong here.
Oh, the kicking hawk penis, automatic penis.
But he is
Yeah.
one of his good fighters, though.
He's his
No.
best hand-to-hand fighter. He's just really not that strong and hasn't won a lot of fights.
Yeah.
Amphibian, immediate A in my opinion.
Idiot A tier,
Yeah.
one of the best from the Agrigor line.
Yeah.
How about
I'm not a fan of Terrorspin.
he's basically a flying jellyfish that could shoot lightning or electricity.
turtle.
Oh yeah.
Terraspin.
Terraspin.
Wait, are you cut? Yeah.
Terraspin's a B. Terraspin's a B. No,
Yeah.
Oh my
Terraspin.
god.
Terraspin, they can learn mana really well, which is cool. But
Yeah,
I don't
like
like
Ben
him
never
too
learned
much.
it, so it's like
Yeah, Ben's too much of a dumbass to learn mana.
he really is the stupidest character on the show. Sometimes,
He is.
huh?
He
really
literally
is.
destroyed the universe, though. Remember that?
Yeah.
That was also the Vreedle brothers. And
Yeah,
them
shouldn't have
crazy.
underestimated it. Shouldn't have been that
Yeah.
stupid.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Big Chill 8 S tier. That's
Yeah.
my favorite.
Yeah.
Big Chill.
What's up around here?
He's
Big
pretty
Chill,
OP if you think
he's
about
my
it.
favorite character on the entire show.
I mean, come on. He could phase through walls, like,
Remember when he
and
got
freeze
pregnant?
things.
yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
well,
He's,
wait.
it's,
Should we bring that up?
Yeah.
he's my favorite character. I want to bring him up. All right.
That was funny.
He's not gay. He's not. It's not a girl.
That was
It's an
asexually.
asex. Necrophrygians are asexual. All right.
Yeah.
Don't say some stupid shit.
Gage was doing something on the camera we didn't want to see.
Yeah.
That we know. We're not gonna look at it.
Humongosaur.
No.
Humongosaur, easy A tier for
Yeah.
sure.
Ben uses
Yeah.
it a lot. It's probably the one he wants to want.
Yeah, Alien X S tier. S tier for sure. Oh my god, no. Alien X is like surprisingly balanced for being an all omnipotent being.
Yeah.
Whoops.
What was his race again?
Oh.
A celestial sapien or something like that?
Yeah. Celestial Sapien. I like the stuff they did with Agrigor with the map of infinity. That was cool. Missing balls. Yeah, I hate Ultimate. He's ultimate and still stupider than Asmund.
Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna do that.
Okay.
There's only one. No. There's only one alien that belongs in the worst tier.
Alright.
We'll get to it when
The
I
Ben
get to it.
10 reboot. I hate it.
Oh
Yes.
yeah.
On here.
I hope not.
Yeah, it's
I will
Put
literally-
that
I will
trout thing. Put that disgusting trout
Rocket
there.
trout?
Rocket trap. Get
Yeah.
that in there. Get it in. Get it in the
Alright,
very last tier.
Kill it with
Right now.
fire.
Where's Walkatrap?
Pesky dust. It's second row, second to the bottom.
Pesky Dust literally terrified the hell out of
No,
that one guy.
second,
Remember?
second column, second column. Yeah, right there. Oh, you second column, the second
There he
column.
is. Hold on, I put him.
Oh, not
as
Walkatrout.
I put him
Not
as
Walkatrout.
Rocket
Yeah,
Trout
that's
is an S tier, yeah.
Walkatrout's S tier.
Yeah, above feedback.
What does Walkatrout do again? Nothing.
He's slippery
walks.
as fuck. He's slippery as
He
fuck.
walks.
No, you literally can't.
He's
grab
just
him.
a trout that walks, bro.
No, he's just really slippery.
He's just a
Dude.
dog.
It's just an oil.
Before anything else, we gotta put the worst in S tier. He's literally invincible.
Nah.
Yeah,
he's kinda-
the worst is S. No, shut
he's
up. The
kinda
worst is
fucking
S tier.
ugly, so-
The worst is S tier.
But he's
Shut
an
up.
S
The
tier.
Yeah.
Tyson, you know how this list is inherently wrong, alright? The worst is S tier.
Oh my
God.
gosh.
Right? No, I'd
We're gonna
say
get
the
so
worst
much
of
hate
the
for that.
Walkatrout.
You think people are gonna watch this?
No.
No.
Okay.
Gage should. I'm gonna block Gage if he keeps doing this shit.
I don't know what he's doing, but I don't really care.
Call-
You do
calling
not
me.
want to look. We're making a
You do
video.
not want to look.
Armadillo. Let's see where we can.
Armadillo,
Armadillo.
he's a B.
He's a B tier for sure. I like him a lot.
He's
Gage,
yellow.
I hope Mom
He's
walks
got
it.
drills.
Yeah. No. You're really
Don't
gonna
you
pi-
dare.
Don't
Don't you
move
dare
Big
put
Chill.
feedback down there.
Don't move
I
Big
will
Chill.
literally end your
Dude,
life.
Dude, Big Chill's my favorite in the entire
I'll
fucking
end
show.
your
Don't
life,
move him.
dog.
Alright.
Wait,
No.
let-
Tyson, are you making an actual list or just fucking
Alright,
with
we're
people?
actually
I'll
making
make
a video
actual
here.
list. Alright, fine.
I'd say the worst is F.
Put-
definitely.
Put
S tier.
Alien X back in S.
I know. No, the worst is actually S tier. I would genuinely,
Yeah,
unironically
you could
put him in S
literally-
tier.
Like transform into him, you'd never die.
Yeah,
I
but
would
just-
literally turn in.
It's kind of
yeah.
ugly.
At least put it in B tier.
Jesus.
Put him in A
okay,
tier. At least.
Okay.
Put him in A.
Put
Alright.
Alien X back.
Alien X S tier.
Alright, we'll do it
Right
later
now.
when I forget about it.
Yeah, let's just keep him there to piss people off.
Alright. Well.
Artiguana.
Artiguana, I fucking hate it.
Ew, get
Yeah.
get
Yeah,
that
get
disgusting.
Astrodactyl.
Yeah,
no, get-
Astrodactyl's
get
literally a
Artiguana at the
pterodactyl with
very bottom.
whips, which is
wow,
disgusting.
You
Artiguana.
really hate it? You.
Yeah, I really hate it. I really don't
Artiguana, I
Artiguana.
like his design,
I
but
like him because
I don't like his design.
He's kind of like.
I don't like his
show
design. I don't
force.
like his power. I think everything about him just fucking sucks.
But he breathes ice.
I
Yeah,
know,
so does
same
Big
thing as
Chill.
Big Chill,
Yeah.
Big
except
Chill
he
just
can't phase
does
through
it a lot
walls.
cooler.
Can't phase through walls and fly. So
Doesn't
he's
look
stupid.
cool. Can't fly.
He looks kind of.
He's just a lizard that breathes ice.
I'm also kind of biased because Big Chill's the best in the entire show.
I like lizards.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright,
Gravitas
Gravitak
A tier.
S tier.
Yeah.
No.
S tier. A no,
I'm
not
putting
S
high
tier.
A, high A.
I'd say
Alright.
second to highest
That's
A,
fair.
but okay, that's good.
Ew.
Thank
Don't you
God,
dare.
don't even dare.
Alright, blocks.
Okay, that's
Blocks
fair.
is a B.
Blocks is B tier. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's that?
Frankenstrike.
What the fuck is it?
Frankenstrike is a
that's
B.
penis. That's
Yeah.
penis. No, that's penis for sure.
But come on.
I mean, there's
He's like-
better out there.
It's D-
Oh
it's
yeah.
D, it's D at highest.
I don't.
I would put him in fucking penis.
Blitzwolfer, B tier for me.
A.
Uh-uh.
Blitzwolfer
I'd put
is
him
an
in B
A.
tier.
Yeah, I put
Two
him-
people. I'd put him in B tier.
Personally, put him mid B.
Majority
Alright.
vote B tier.
How about like a mid B?
No.
Mid B. Mid B's fair.
Yeah,
Mid B is fair.
Oh, dude, put the worst at the front of B.
Yeah.
First spin does not belong
Oh my
there.
gosh. Yeah. There.
Worst is really underrated. I fucking actually like.
I
Jokes
like him 'cause
aside, I
he's
really
ugly.
like him.
He's a
Also
wholesome
really like-
chonkers moment, bro.
I also
You
really
say that
like
on my
Walker
channel
Trout.
again, I will never speak
Yeah,
to you.
don't dare say wholesome chonkers.
Alright. I
I
forgot his name
don't even
already.
remember
I
his
forgot.
name.
Brainstorm.
Oh.
Penis and balls. Yes,
I'm
and
pretty
balls.
sure it's
I would give him-
Brainstorm, right?
That's Brainstorm.
I could argue for penis.
He's from my favorite season, but he's the worst character in it.
Yeah, he's
Oh, it's genuinely
in
penis and
penis.
balls.
No, penis. Penis is fair.
Penis
Love
is
penis,
fair.
love
Penis is fair.
bullfrag.
He can do that shit where he
Bullfrag.
plans it out.
Bullfrag put him
Penis
in.
and
I
balls.
fucking hate it.
Yeah.
I fucking hate it. I fucking hate it.
Bullfrag is completely stupid.
That's D tier. That's D tier. Not great.
Not great.
What?
fan.
No.
Not-
Not a
No.
fan. I'm not a
That's
fan.
at least put it C
No.
or high
Put it
D.
the
High
low-
D. Put it high D.
The
Mid-tier.
lowest tier. Lowest tier. Lowest C.
Well, see,
Lowest.
I
Yeah.
don't feel comfortable putting
'Cause I
Bloodshot
think
No, I
he's-
feel comfortable with it. That's
2 out
fair.
of 3. 2 out of 3, Tyson. 2 out of 3 low.
Fine.
Have
Yeah,
to
you
put him-
better put that
Yeah,
low C.
lowest C.
I
'Cause he's better than Spider Monkey.
Alright, I like Cannibal because he's funny.
Yeah,
I don't
Cannibal
like
is
him.
a
I
C.
don't like him. I don't like
Put him
him.
at least mid C. Mid C.
I fucking hate him. I would put him penis.
Nah,
Nah, that's too harsh.
it's two
Yeah, but-
against one.
No. Put Walkatrow in front of him. Come on now.
No.
oh.
For that, we're putting him on.
Oh, come
there.
Oh,
on.
yeah, we're putting him there.
Walkatrow's actually really cool. Okay.
Yeah, but
He's
wet.
literally just slimy.
He's just
Also, hey,
Right.
kan still een man kennen
Chameleon.
You finish your model kit?
in
lizard. Doesn't
Chameleon.
matter.
Penis. No, it's highest penis.
Yeah.
It's,
Highest tier penis.
yeah. It stays there.
Yeah.
Crash Hopper. Put him at C.
D.
Highest D.
hmm
Nah.
His legs are super strong.
I
I'd
don't
put him-
care.
Alright,
I
Diamond
mean,
Head immediate S tier.
Of course.
PD best tier.
Of
I
course.
think everyone can agree Diamond Head's S tier.
Who wouldn't? Ditto?
Like,
I
yes.
guess-
Ditto B. Ditto B.
B tier. I like Echo.
At
Echo
least a low
more.
B. At least a low B.
No,
The lowest B.
I don't feel comfortable
Hey.
putting low and B. I feel like mid. I feel like he belongs mid.
Yeah, mid C is
Mid
good.
C.
Alright. Beetle?
Beetle.
No.
Trash.
upchuck.
That's
Nah,
a trash
garbage.
upchuck.
Just
Garbage.
penis upchuck.
Garbage.
Yes,
Alright,
upchuck.
Echo.
No,
A
that's an
tier.
A.
Yeah.
A,
Uh,
yeah.
At least mid A. Mid A.
Yeah.
No, I'd say he's worse than Chroma Stone.
Yeah, that's why I put him less than Chroma
Yeah.
Stone.
I guy's A tier.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guy is at least like a like
Lowest A.
yeah.
No, lowest A.
Yeah.
He's not better than Venusaur.
Alright, so
Ew.
Fast Track is just worse Accelerate.
Yeah, get
Yep.
that out of here.
I'd say penis because I like his design.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
But it's
Alright,
just still.
forearm.
Forearms, immediate high A.
Yeah. Oh, where?
I'm just kidding.
Immediate
yeah,
high
I'd say
A.
right there. I'd say right
Yeah, he
there.
deserves it. Ghost
Yeah.
Freak.
Oh, that's A tier.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
the
yeah,
highest A.
Yeah.
Highest A tier. Highest
Yeah.
A tier. Yep.
Goop.
Goop. He's
Goop,
funny.
S
I
tier,
like
S
him.
tier, S tier, S
I
tier,
love-
Yeah,
S
he's
tier,
funny,
S
I
tier.
like
Fuck
him.
yeah.
He's super funny.
Let's go, baby.
Alright.
Gray Matter. He's a genius.
Yeah.
I'd say he's way
At least
better than
A. Put him at
Ultimate.
least a high B.
So at least Ultimate claims to be a ton of shit, but he sucks.
Can we just like get
He's
rid of
just
him?
dumb Erasmus. Yeah, can we just get him out of here? Make him his own tier. Just him and Astrodactyl deserve their own tier.
Just put completely horrendous.
Alright,
Man,
I'm gonna
Frost-
Put that above it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Disgusting freaks.
Hell yeah.
Ow.
You can't even see it.
That's how bad it is.
Alright.
Yep, that's fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me
Fair.
change these.
Bullfrag at least is kind of cool with his tongue. No, it's not
Yeah.
even kind of cool, but it's better than those two fucking
Yeah,
cretins.
definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Alright.
Alright.
Next alien.
Gotrot's A tier.
Yeah,
Yeah.
100%.
At least mid A,
He's
right?
so cool. He's so
Mid-A?
cool.
Yeah.
Mid A.
Oh, I'd
Mid
put
A.
him. I'd put him above Eye Guy, but below Humongousaur.
Alright, so right in between here.
Yeah.
His power is really cool.
I
we
mean,
just
that's
didn't see a
fair.
ton of him.
Yeah.
We didn't see a
Heat
ton of
blast,
him.
heat blast, low S tier
Lowest
for me.
Yeah,
S, lowest
100%.
S.
Let me get
Probably the
S.
best. Oh, I'd say NRG is better at fire.
NRG is
I'd say
radiation though, right?
second highest A, but that's me. Oh, that's A tier.
Jet
though.
Ray,
Jet
Jet
Ray,
Ray
A tier.
is
A tier.
high A tier.
High A tier.
Yeah.
Right there. No,
Isn't he literally the
I'd
fastest
say,
alien?
but I'd say yeah,
Didn't he go light
or
speed?
the second.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say Amphibian's better than him and Gravitar.
Lodestar. Lodestar. How
Lodestar,
about
I don't
Lodestar?
like his character. His power is cool.
I don't
Yeah.
I
like
just don't like his
design.
character.
At least put him
Yeah,
in like
dude.
Heidi.
Yeah.
Hi, D.
I like him more than Spider Monkey.
Design's really ugly.
Well, yeah.
Spider Monkey.
Really fucked him
It's
in the
funny,
ass
though.
with his design.
It is pretty funny. I want to touch his head.
Oh,
Dude,
no, that's
that
the lowest,
the mustache
lowest.
has to be low S.
No,
Of course.
are you guys kidding?
Of course.
Dude, he
Bro.
could literally fly with his mustache. That's pretty boss.
That's
Anyone
super
else
awesome.
on that list can fly.
Yeah, but,
Literally
like,
everyone on that list
Can they fly with their mustache though?
they don't even have one.
I hate
Stupid.
this.
This was
You
cool.
guys fucking.
No,
you guys
just
fucking-
Could strangle a man
cooler.
with his
Are you
mustache,
kidding
bro.
me?
I hate this.
No, you're just strong.
Fine, put him
I
in
hate
C.
this.
Put him in C.
No,
Yeah.
put him in the lowest
C
tier.
is fair. What the hell is wrong
Lowest
with you?
tier. No,
Oh,
no.
Put him with.
Put him in
with
C.
fucking-
No, low C is
No.
fair, bro. He's
No,
actually a
I'd
good
say,
alien if you
I'd
think
say
about
I
it.
fucking hate it. I fucking hate it.
Didn't he fight
Was he a good
Vilgax
alien?
with
He
it?
just has big mustache.
Jerry Rig is pretty boss.
No.
He made Ben's bike.
No.
Yeah, I'd give him. I'd put him above fucking Mustache.
I mean, imagine combining
Mhm.
like a Jerry Rig and upgrade.
No,
Wait, hasn't that
no,
happened
no, no.
before?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ultimate Ben.
Yeah.
It's really specific.
NRG.
Oh, they're separate.
Completely
Oh,
S.
NRG.
Put both of them in S
without his-
tier. Both of them S tier.
I'd say without his suit, he's B tier. With his suit on, he's S tier.
Yeah.
Without a suit, he's just kind of.
At least like a little bit like above Armadillo, right?
Yeah, above Armadillo.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, above Gray Matter.
Oh yeah,
And
definitely.
he's highest. He's highest B.
Yeah, high
highest
B.
Yeah. The worst is.
Nanomech.
Nanomech.
I don't like him. I don't
I
like
mean,
him.
it's pretty
I don't like
cool.
him.
No.
I fucking hate it.
Nah.
I fucking hate it.
It's super.
I mean,
Oh, that's too
I
hard.
guess, yeah, that's
D,
reasonable.
That's D. Lowest D. Lowest D.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
reasonable.
wrong one. You get them mixed
Yeah.
up sometimes.
Oh,
Atomics,
Atomics.
low S, low S.
low S.
Yeah.
No, I'd say
Above,
low S is
above,
fair.
yeah, above
Yeah.
Heat Blast.
Blast. I don't
Pixie
like him
Dust.
too much.
He
I
terrified the
fucking hate
shit
it.
out
I
of that
fucking
one
hate
guy
I fucking hate it. I fucking hate it.
in
I fucking
Omniverse.
hate it.
Remember that?
I fucking hate it. Fucking hate
Yeah.
it. I fucking hate it. I fucking hate it. I
You have to,
fucking
like,
hate it. I
manipulate
fucking
the
hate it.
mind.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I fucking hate it. I
Its
hate it.
powers are
so bad.
overpowered, but
No, I hate it. 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 Alright.
Femboy. Femboy.
what's that guy's name? Hazard something.
Water.
Water hazard.
Yeah,
High
He
mid
shoots
B.
Water.
mid B.
Mid B.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
No.
Ripjaws?
No.
He's
Ripjaws.
completely useless above water
D.
sometimes.
D.
Yeah.
Lowest D.
Yeah.
Was D.
Alright.
Beautiful, beautiful.
But
Isn't that no?
Nah.
Yep, right. No, I'd say he deserves higher.
Yeah,
uh,
higher D.
yeah.
Yeah, high D.
Anything's better
As-
than
I mean,
Spider
come
Monkey
on,
at this
think
point.
about it. He could literally
Yeah.
make a huge ball of whatever that stuff he
Poop.
makes.
Shit.
Come.
Yeah.
Yeah, that too. Alright.
Shock Squatch. I
Yes.
think it's an A tier for me.
Yeah.
D. D.
He's
Low
an A
D.
tier.
What?
He's an
Low
A
D.
tier.
Low D.
Are you
Are you
insane?
Low D. He's
Shock
so
Squatch
ugly.
is literally OP. Dude,
He's so
he
ugly.
could lift objects with his
So
ugly.
electricity.
So
He's
cool.
so ugly.
So cool.
I don't like him. I don't like him.
Put him mid A. Put him mid A.
Low A. Low
Mid
A.
A.
Fine.
That's literally
I
a
can't
mid
believe
A.
you're even considering him putting him above D tier.
Are you
Not
kidding
the-
me?
Pisses me
Alright,
off.
you're pissing me
You're
off.
putting
Move
him
on
at
to
the
the next
same level
alien.
as Spider Monkey? Let me just.
I'm putting him below Spider Monkey.
All right, go to the next alien.
Alright,
Snarrow.
yeah.
Snarrow.
He's pretty good.
Yeah.
I'd say higher than Shots. Anyone's fucking higher than Shot Squad.
Oh
Are
my
you
I would
dumb?
put
god!
Shock
Stop
Squad
talking.
at the
Are you
very
dumb?
bottom.
Are you
Literally
dumb?
Very
stop.
fucking
Are you
bottom.
dumb?
Very
Are you
fucking
dumb?
bottom.
Are you dumb?
Lowest tier, very bottom.
Are you stupid?
No,
How?
I'm fucking.
At least put
correct.
You're wrong.
Snarrow next to Ben Wolf. I mean,
I'd say he's
Blitzwolfer.
right behind. Right
Blitzwolfer.
behind
No,
No
yeah.
Suit. Oh, right behind No Suit. Fucking Energy.
Ah. Yeah.
I mean,
I feel
yeah, yeah,
Like second highest B.
or at least above.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right there.
that. Alright. Now this guy. What was his name? Freaking
What's his name?
Spitters or Quitters or whatever.
Spitter, stupid, lowest.
What did he do
lowest.
again?
He was in
Oh,
like Ben
Spitter.
10,000 and then that's
Uh,
the only
No,
time
like
just
what was
Spitter.
his powers?
he
I
spits.
didn't even care.
He
I
spits.
Oh.
care to look.
Oh fuck!
Yeah.
I didn't care to look.
He-
Lowest.
He's
I'd say actually I did penis and balls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He looks
Yeah.
kind of ugly.
Alright.
Very obvious.
Stinkfly's an OG. Come on,
I don't like him.
What?
he's an OG. You gotta
Oh
put
my
him in
God.
C
I
at
I
least.
can.
Yeah, I put him high C.
I feel like putting OGs in high positions is kind of stupid considering we have Artiguana.
But
so
he
low.
is pretty good. Come on,
Shock
man.
Squash so fucking high. It deserves to be an F tier.
Stop! You're wrong.
Dude.
I
Imagine
hate
with like,
him.
You're wrong.
I hate Shock Squash. He fucking sucks.
you should
fucking
just
wrong.
stop talking. You should just stop
Stop.
talking.
Stop.
Fuck Shock Squash.
Stop. You're just wrong. Alright, Swamp Fire before he blonde.
B.
Alright,
Or no, high A. High A.
I feel that.
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah.
Alright,
F. Lowest. So fucking ugly.
I don't like it. It looks
Wait,
like
what was
that
a
again?
man. It's weird. I don't know how to explain it.
Hmm.
You
Um,
should-
That next alien is literally like the best one, right? Because he
He's
could
not the
scare the shit
best.
out of everything.
it's not
Yeah,
the
but-
best.
But dude, he could terrify
Close
the
your
shit out of
eyes.
everything.
Yeah.
I mean, he scared Zombozo, which is really fucking impressive.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
I mean, come on, whatever is in there has to be terrifying.
So.
It's definitely
Well,
middle B.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's reasonable.
All right. Ultimates. What?
Oh, that's an A. That's a strong A.
Ultimate
Yeah,
Echo
Ultimate-
Echo is my
yeah, Ultimate
favorite
Echo.
ultimate by far.
Pretty.
Yeah,
Mm,
he's
no.
pretty good. Yeah,
He's good. He's cool and all. Not my favorite ultimate. One of them.
he's one of them. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Ultimate Swamp Fire is
Ugly.
blue.
Stupid.
It's
Ugly.
it's
Ugly.
really bad. It's real.
It's scary.
I put him above the stupid, dumb new Swamp Fire, but yeah, that's fair.
All right. What is that? I can't tell.
I can't see what that is. Oh, what the
We'll save
fuck
that
is
for last. We'll save that for
All
last.
right. Ultimate Big Chill.
S.
Yeah.
Yeah, S,
It's just Big Chill but red.
and that's
Yes.
cool.
Yeah.
No. No, below Heat Blast.
Yeah.
Above Heat Blast.
No.
No, below.
Yeah.
Ultimate.
Ultimate
The
It
lowest
cannon.
sucks. It
Lowest tier.
sucks. It's.
Lowest. Yep. Fair. Everyone can agree on that.
What is that? Is that is that Ultimate
I
Gravitak?
can't tell.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how to rate this guy.
Wait, isn't Ultimate Gravitak like 3 planets though? I don't think that's it.
I don't know who that is.
That's Ultimate Gravitak.
It is.
I don't know. Looks like it.
All right, let's say it is.
Let's say Ultimate Gravitak's a thing. I'll look it up
Yeah.
after the vid. Yeah, he's kind of.
There's that Albedo Gravitat. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's kind of D tier.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll put it above.
Yeah, well, no, it's not D. It's a high C tier, actually. That's kind of controversial.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah. Alright, Ultimate Humongosaur.
A tier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe even S tier. Lowest S tier.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
fair.
that's fair. That's pretty fucking fair.
Alright,
What is
Albedo's
that?
Ultimate Humongosaur.
I don't like it. Just Humongousaur.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah. No. Yeah.
I think we should rule out all the albedo ones.
Yeah. Can we just like stop? All right. That's
Yeah, can
Ultimate
we just-
Wrath. I can't tell if that's. Yeah. That's Ultimate.
Yeah, that's Ultimate Wrath. I like Ultimate Wrath.
Ultimate Spider Monkey.
I don't
Lowest.
like it.
Ew.
I don't like
Ew,
it.
get
Trash.
it outta
Trash.
here.
Trash. Trash.
Get it
Very
out of
bottom.
here.
Trash.
Get both of them out of here.
Trash.
Yeah.
All right.
No, there's another Ultimate Spider Monkey.
Yeah.
Uh,
No. That's
Ultimate
just
way
like
big.
that's Albedo's. So
It's
trash.
Albedo.
Yeah, kill it then.
Yeah.
Aren't we leaving out all the albedo forms?
I guess we are, but like.
Put that at least
Yeah,
a high
Ultimate
B.
Wrath
High
is
B.
a high B.
Yeah. All right. Ultimate
I like
way
him
big.
A tier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even S.
High A tier? High A tier. is
High
fine.
A tier,
Put
yeah.
him right there. All right.
Wait, why is
Up, Chuck?
Amphibian the lowest A tier? What the fuck?
How do you get down there?
I don't know how he got down
You
there.
should be up there.
Yeah, there, that fits. That fits. Yeah.
Ultimate wild mutt.
I don't like it.
It's just a red wild mutt, honestly, with a
Red
tail.
wild,
I don't like it, so
just red wild nut with eyes.
It's just wild nut, but unfunny.
yeah.
It's just wild nut with eyes.
Oh, that's ugly.
Upchuck, S tier, S tier.
Yeah,
Upchuck.
Yeah,
100%.
Upchuck is an S tier.
100%.
S tier.
He's cool. I like him.
All right, put him
Lowest
last.
S tier. That's fair.
Yeah. All right, upgrade. Up.
S tier.
100%.
At least a high S tier. High S tier.
I'll put him right there.
Yeah. Hey.
Yeah,
All right, way big.
S tier.
A tier. A tier.
S tier. I'm feeling S tier.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Is that vampire? I think that's
Yeah,
vampire.
Vampire's A tier.
Yeah.
What time is it?
Time for lunch.
Oh my god, I have school tomorrow.
10:52.
I'll put
Yep.
him
Mm.
right here.
That's fair.
All right,
Yeah.
normal wild mutt.
I don't like him.
At least put him in D.
Yeah.
E.
Low D.
Low D.
Yeah, low D.
Lowest D.
No.
Wildfine's a lot cooler in Omniverse than in the classic.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're.
But still
putting
pretty
wild-
cool.
Omniverse,
A.
lowest
Low
A tier.
Lowest A.
Classic series, definitely a D.
All right.
Accelerant, S
S
tier.
tier.
S tier.
S tier.
This will
tier.
not be. up
I
for
will
debate.
not be forsaken.
All right.
No
Yeah.
doubt about it. And what's that little stupid little thing at the very bottom?
I don't know.
I
I'm,
don't know
I'm
what
pretty
that
sure
is.
it's one of the
Up.
albino
Ah,
things.
That's probably Albedo's ultimate.
Yeah, albino.
Wait,
Why did he say
My
albino?
computer. Oh, there goes the tier list.
Um,
Oh,
Here's
there it
the
is.
fucking gear.
I
list
guess-
for you. Oh, okay. I
Right.
guess. Hell.
Leave that. Put that in hell. Yeah.
Yeah.
If it's albedos, it's probably hell.
Alright, let's look at the tier list one last time to make sure it makes sense.
All right.
I'd say Big Chill's the best in S tier.
No.
Yeah.
Feedback is best for me, bro.
Sam.
Both
I'd
of you
always go
guys'
feedback.
Hey,
favorites.
hey guys.
What?
Can I just say something?
Sure.
Has to be video appropriate.
So, how do you guys tier this?
This
By
is
how
the
much
only
we like
correct.
them.
This is
Yeah,
the
S
only
tier is
correct.
like the best.
This is the only correct tier list ever.
This is the only. Every other tier list is.
And no one can say
objectively wrong.
otherwise.
Doesn't
If
even
you do,
matter
I'll
if
find
it's
you.
not been
Those are
29,
your
it's just wrong,
opinions, though.
because we
Your
said
tier
so.
list is slightly different. You're wrong.
Yeah. If you have
Oh, no, I-
Spider-Man, if you have
Just
Spider
like
Monkey
this.
anywhere but here, you're wrong.
Yeah.
Actually,
You're
no,
stupid.
Put him at the very
Nice.
bottom.
I hate Ultimate Spider Monkey more.
Yeah,
I thought we were gonna
Yeah.
say Spider-Man.
that was.
Astrodactyl sucks. I'd put a Ultimate Cannibal above Astrodactyl.
Dactyl really is so no. Yeah, that's.
He's so
words.
bad.
That's just words. He's so funny.
I'd say. Ah, shit. I put the new Swampfire actually pretty higher.
I
I don't
put him
think
in,
it
like,
deserves to be there.
D, maybe C.
put
Low
him-
C. Low C.
Yeah, let's see.
I'd put him lowest B, to be honest, but
Uh,
I think he looks cool enough to go like high C.
Alright.
I see.
Maybe highest C. I don't know.
Lowest B, maybe.
Yeah, put him there. Alright, let's reorganize.
Yeah,
Yeah, actually.
yeah. That's
Actually,
probably
me
what I
too.
would do.
My
Yeah.
Alright, we gotta
Can
put
we
Wonka
put-
Trout S tier.
Can I get one?
Yeah.
Can I get one more? Can I get one thing to say?
What?
What?
Shock Squatch, hell.
Oh my
No,
gosh.
no.
I hate him.
Oh
I
my
hate him.
Well,
gosh.
just
I
because
hate
you're
him
wrong
so
doesn't mean you have
much.
to flex it on everybody else. Jesus Christ.
Oh, I hate him. He's so bad.
But
He's
he's
so
Shock
so
bad.
Squatch.
hot.
Shock Squatch's design is amazing and its
Shock
powers
Squatch
are.
is an ugly fucking alien.
But he's so hot.
Oh my gosh.
You know,
He is-
literally amphibians bounce better than he will ever be.
Yeah,
but he's
scary.
literally strength combined with electricity.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know what else is strength combined with electricity?
My
Me.
dick.
Fucking. Okay, there's
That's not
there's
video friendly right
feedback.
now.
There's
Feedback isn't that really physical
fucking
strong.
amphibian. He took down fucking ultimate malware, you stupid bitch.
I said physically strong, stupid.
How would he take down ultimate malware if he's not physically strong?
He used his abilities.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
It's
made him
literally-
Alright, let me name someone who's better. Blocks. I feel like Blocks would wall the shit out of him in a fight.
Lux looks stupid.
Yeah.
That's not
Like,
a very sound
He could
reason.
literally, like,
Yeah,
can't
just like,
can't
yeah, you
Shock
look
Squatch
stupid.
levitate things with electricity?
I don't know.
Do you
maybe-
know what else can levitate shit?
Wow.
Blocks.
I
by
wish I
picking
could.
No,
him
he
up with
can't.
the
Well, guess
blocks.
what? Blocks
All right,
is
and this
ugly.
conversation is
Blocks
over.
is
Sam.
ugly, and just for that,
Oh,
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay,
Don't do
yeah.
that. Don't do that.
Kind of fucks up the list, yeah. I'd say Shock Squatch is definitely the lowest hell.
Oh my gosh.
No,
I hate
he's
you.
above Spider Monkey, but not very good at all.
everything's above Spider Monkey.
Yeah, really fucking ugly Pokemon. Or killing it.
Loser.
Okay, I have school.
Alright, let's finish up this video.
I said this video.
Alright, thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks
I
for
hate you,
watching.
by the way.
Can we unmute Gage
Oh, yeah,
for the last?
subscribe.
No,
seconds.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh yeah, be subscribed because we said so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also,
Hey,
any other tier list is wrong.
True.
Yes.
Alright, we're done.